All right, man. I'm gonna ask you a quick question real quick.
What's up?
All right. So you've been working out with me a few times already, right?
Right.
All right. And you've gone to a gym before.
Yes, I
So what do you think? What's the difference? The major difference between going to a gym and working out here in nature in the park? Like, what's your experience with that?
The main thing is that you actually have to engage your full body because you mostly got to do calisthenics, compound workouts. So what I noticed is that you end up sore, but you feel everything even. You're sore from the evenly. When you go to a gym, you're not able to lift your arm, but everything else you can do, and it feels weird. It feels
like the isolation stuff.
Yeah, it feels weird. Right now, I feel like I'm getting toned, and I know that you're not gonna lose this quickly. So,
this is what I like about working out at the park. It's just the openness of this. I'm an introvert, so being enclosed, surrounded by people, it gets me exciting. Unless I go with somebody. If I go with you or somebody that I'm comfortable with, I'll be okay because I'm engaged with that person. But if I go by myself, I get social anxiety.
And it's weird because you wouldn't think you're introverted. Bro.
I'm very introverted.
Because when someone approaches you to talk to you, you're very polite. You have good conversations.
On a one-on-one, I can be. But put me like in a group setting, and I immediately find my way out.
That's crazy.
You know. Yeah, have you noticed sometimes how we were in the depot, and it would get too packed, and I would go to the other room, or I would go outside like that.
Start working out randomly.
Go to another room and start working out. Like that's what I mean by social anxiety. Like if I'm surrounded, I feel like I don't know, like my energy gets drained. This is why I love, because if you're an introvert, you don't work out because you're afraid of going to the gym. Come out here. Come out here.
No excuse. No excuse.
So you don't have a gym, but you want to work out your isolations, your biceps, your back, lats, right? Get yourself one of these. Watch this. You want to get your lats involved? Right? That's one. There's another one you can do. So you want to get your triceps in there. I'm gonna get some bicep action going. Give me some white chin-ups.
White chin-ups and some fucking shit.
Oh yeah, we gotta hit the abs too. We haven't hit abs at all. All right, let's see what you got. Let's go. Mind you, he's already a few sets in, more than a few. So I'll cut him some slack. And he's still going like a beast. See, folks, it's all about that range of motion. Technique and range of motion is everything.
Wow. Momentum.
No momentum, just all strength right there. Come on, come on. Oh, okay. Okay. He's feeling fancy now. Heck, try to bring your ankles closer to the bar and don't drop your legs all the way down.
Gotcha. Ah, God.
This actually activates your lower abs.
It's like an advanced L-sit.
Now you could do it with your knees bent once you get tired, because obviously having your legs extended, that's part of variation.
Right.
If you want to keep going, bend your knees a little. It's okay. That'll kill your abs. What's up, Devo? How you doing, bud? He wants to go run. What's up, Heck? What you up to?
Just getting some watermelon for everybody. You know?
Oh shit, look at that knife.
Dude, what's the average size?
Murdering that watermelon. Damn.
That's all we do here, but murder workouts and murder watermelon. Hi.
Dom, what are you up to? Dom is...
Hey, Dom, you want some?
Dom, you want a watermelon?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a micro workout, right? I don't know. Oh, I showed you this one last time. Yeah, I did at the depot. So, yeah, 15, 10, 5. But while I'm doing this, you're gonna be doing those presses, and then we're gonna switch back and forth. All right, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sorry about that, Yummy. We'll get out the way next time.
8, 9, 10.
Oh shit. I'm fucking dead. Let's do it. Alright, 15, 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Why does it sound so easy? But we do that shit hard now. It's terrible. You ready? Alright. 15.
Let me fix my hat. Shit's all creepy.
You're shaking like a motherfucker. Two more.
Oh, fuck.
Just as fucking being
My shit is shaking.
such a simple workout.